So we had to take up in the air today, though. So Daddy's getting us some wine. We're about to be wine ready to enjoy our dinner. And Happy New Year's again.
Happy New Year.
2020. So we both got our sauces. So I have my sauce. And then Daddy has his butter and garlic sauce. So yeah. So tell them what we got today.
We got this delicious feast. We got some good old mussels, lobster, shrimp, king crab. We got it all today.
Yeah. Some corn and my little lonely egg that he tried not to get on the plate. Some asparagus.
Oh yeah, we got the green stuff.
Why are you still snagging that shrimp?
Cause we had a deal. I traded some.
No, did I fry some? I fried some oysters. So we about to dig in. Oh, these are not green lip mussels.
Look like regular mussels to me.
Yeah, I've been wanting some of these green lip mussels, but this is not it. They're just like regular mussels. Oh, y'all, we do not have no napkins. Again.
Yeah, we don't.
Use some napkins.
Well, is that gonna be a thing for us? Coming to the table unprepared?
With no napkins. I need the sauce to be hot. It's not hot enough for me.
Unless you got it sitting at the table,
I don't know.
warming with you.
I think that's
Like
what I
in your
need.
little crock pot. That's what you should have had.
What?
The one you got for Christmas.
Oh yeah. But I never been able to sit on the table.
Could have sat right there off camera.
Oh y'all, I got some lobster tails. So I'm glad that Daddy is not really a lobster tail person.
Not really,
That way
but
I can
I
just
do like
enjoy
lobster.
them. Drizzle it in this sauce here. And I feel like I need one of them bibs, how they have in the restaurant, because I know I get everything on my clothes.
Oh, for a cleaner, better taste on your mussels, especially if you get them live, and your oysters, let them soak in some fresh water. Run some fresh water through them in your refrigerator, like every 12 hours, every 8 hours. Because remember, they're still alive. So run fresh water through them every 8, 9, 10 hours before you cook them. Days before, a couple days before, however you buy them. Or if you're getting ready to buy, go home and then make them. I would still rinse them and let some water run through them for a little while. Make sure that meat is nice and clean, run all that grit out of it.
Yeah, he's sweet. He thinks he know what he was talking about.
I just know what I like.
That's good. So you know I had to sneak in his vegetables one way or another.
But I do love asparagus though. So get it how you can with your vegetables. Eat your vegetables.
This lobster is good. Oh, that's what I'm missing. I need some cayenne pepper.
That's what you need. You got a genie?
I know. Cayenne pepper. Come my way. I wish it was that easy just to clap and everything. Just come over here.
My goodness.
Let me taste that king crab. So we both had our things that we have recommended. You should have got some scissors. I told you need some scissors for that.
I'm gonna use my man hands. Look at that. Man handing it out here.
He acting like them things not sharp.
I didn't say they wasn't. But we're gonna use our man hands.
Okay, king crab.
I know, right?
That's good. And let's see if you can break it open and get that long, nice piece of meat. Yeah, that's why you need the scissors.
Hold on. Get that.
Oh, that egg was...
Oh, no. I ain't worried about whether the eggs are good or not.
Let's try this asparagus.
Yeah, the asparagus was good.
Yeah.
Eat your vegetables.
So I tried to make my little creation of the Bloves sauce. It came out good. I just need some spice to it. I forgot to add the cayenne pepper.
More traditional. Just give me some butter and garlic. I'm Gucci.
Y'all know him. He's just plain Jane. I'm the opposite.
You know, mama needed it all fancy.
Throw this corn. Throw this corn up in the sauce. Put your corn in your butter.
Yeah, I am. I'm getting at that corn next. I keep eyeing it. Get at that corn.
I just wish my sauce was hotter. I need that sauce to be nice and tight. I need that sauce to be piping hot.
Oh my goodness.
I'm good.
Look at that. Look at that. Watch it drip.
You just let it drip everywhere.
Drip. Just let it drip. That's right.
Oh man, I done spilled something on my shirt.
It's okay today.
All right.
I tell you today, mama, it's okay.
Okay for what?
It's okay. Let it drip today.
So let me drizzle a piece of this lemon. Let me try this again. I don't want to drizzle it all. Let's try it with the short today. So this is our little first seafood boil. They came out pretty good. I can't wait for the whole family to be able to do these. Had the kids right here next to us.
That lobster meat. Good old lobster.
And you don't even like lobster.
I really don't. But I'm gonna eat it today though.
You got lemon juice all on your face. How you like doing these mukbangs so far?
It's okay. I mean, I can't lie and say it's not weird eating and talking to the camera at the same time, but it's okay. Got these things from Whole Foods.
Let me cut me a piece of this crab leg. These things are sharp. These king crabs. Got my oyster. And them things are teaser. I wish I had a little bit more. Oh, y'all, we forgot. We got the sausage.
Oh yeah.
The sausage is at the bottom. We fried those up. So those in here too. I don't know how Daddy forgot those. I know he loves his daggone meat.
I know, right? But I wasn't even thinking about it.
That's
With
why I
this
said
plethora of seafood, I'm really not worried about any sausage or corn or anything of that nature.
For the first time.
I know, right?
Look, any other time you would be. You need some water.
I'm gonna taste your little fake sauce over there. There we go.
Oh,
There's the money shot. Got the whole piece.
Yeah. But you need to get that big old piece. With that big old piece.
I know. Next time we're gonna go for the more of the thigh piece, but we got that.
Got it out nice and clean. I'm ripping it all in my hand.
Yeah, we dripping it. We dripping out here.
Oh my God.
I'm dripping out here.
That's good.
Yeah, it is.
Nice and tender.
Delicioso. Got that lobster meat.
That's his favorite word lately. Delicioso.
It's good.
Yeah. We have to get ourselves together. So everybody been sick in the house with the little stomach virus that's been going on. So we couldn't let this seafood go to waste.
No, we couldn't.
So we had to get up and go ahead and make the video of us prepping this seafood. And then now here we are enjoying it.
It's delicious.
He complains about me making all this food. And look, I'm pretty much full already. I'm getting it.
Yeah, I am too. I can't lie. As a good cook, I mean, you gotta taste as you go. So I have to kind of taste it as I went.
Mm-hmm. That's what it is. These mussels is good. I want some more of them green lip mussels. I need to know where to find them, where to buy them. Cause I thought these was it, but it's not.
Yeah, but they ended up being regular ones, right?
Yeah, it's just the shell is real big. So tell me where I can find them green lip mussels, y'all. Those were so good.
Mm-hmm.
The sauce is kind of sweet. I don't know if I'm really feeling the sauce too much.
Not today, huh?
Maybe because my taste buds, I'm not feeling too good. But, oh, you ate the other
What?
lobster tail.
No, you want some more lobster tail right here?
Yeah, the lobster tail is good.
Yeah, you know, I only eat but so much of lobster.
So, we're doing a happy dance today. Oh, he had to hang up in the air today, y'all. So he was, then he'd be complaining in a second.
What? Everything in this domain.
See you later.
We out.